Okay, in this video, we are going to continue our quest to finish our website, and Rob is going to show us how to finalize the history page. So take it away.
All right, moving right along. Let's go to our history page. Here we have our basic setup.
We don't really have much to do with it.
Now, let's go back to our Photoshop mock-up.
Add text, add picture.
Right, we have text and we have picture.
Insert fork.
So let me go ahead and copy some of this text.
Okay.
And I'll have to do it a block at a time.
Yeah,
that's okay.
Got those 3 columns.
That's okay. Switch back to GoLive. Create a new table here. And again, I'm going to use a table as a padding table.
So kind of that buffer table.
Right. One column, one row and one column, 100%. No border. And let's give it a padding of, let's say 15.
We used 20 in the last one. Do we want to stick with that?
Yeah, let's use 20. That's a good idea. Consistency is consistent. Okay.
That was beautiful, man.
Thanks. I did that on myself. We're going to create a new table. This one is going to be 3 columns.
And no rows. One row.
One row.
Yeah, you can't really have no rows.
Yeah. It'd be a very small table. 100%. No borders. This one's going to have a cell pad of, let's say, 10 again.
So that'll just keep our columns separated from one another?
Right. So the text doesn't bump into each other.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to paste our first column. Oh, now look, it squished everything else. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of the text.
Okay.
And we can do that here.
Control-C.
And come over here and paste it in. Just copying and pasting.
Yeah. Super exciting.
Yeah, the good stuff. Now you notice everything is floating again. So let's go ahead and fix that. We can set our entire row here to a vertical alignment of top.
Yeah.
Pushes everything up. And I'm going to drop our image in here, our log home. And let's give him one more line break so he doesn't bump into that text.
And you did that just by pressing enter?
I hit Shift Enter in that case.
Okay.
Yeah. If you hit Enter, it'll create a paragraph.
Okay.
If you hit Shift Enter, it just puts in a line
break.
You
said that earlier.
Right.
I've forgotten.
No, it's all good.
Maybe somebody else did too.
Okay, so I'm going to go get that picture. And he's the history cabin. Yep, no doubt. Open. There it is. He's going to align right. No, wait.
You can check in Photoshop. I don't remember where it was.
Well, let's see. He's kind of in the center. Well, no, he was lined left. He's okay.
Line left. Yeah.
He's all right. But you'll notice that our columns are all different sizes.
Yeah, that's kind of a problem.
So let's fix that real quick. One thing you do, you can, if you start dragging, you'll drag this. You'll end up selecting the cell, and if you keep on going, you select all the cells.
Nice.
So it's a little.
So you're gonna set like one size for all 3.
That's right. And what I can do here, rather than trying to guess a pixel width or anything like that, I can set it to not table, but cell, to a width of 1%.
33.3 something.
Yeah, you can't. I don't know that you can use 0.3, but 33.
Well, yeah, it truncates it off.
Right.
But
so we'll make this last one 34. Yeah, it did it anyway.
Right.
Okay. So the only difference now is our text. It is not the same style, so let's figure out what style we need. We need Georgia.
12 point.
12 point.
And that's about it.
And that's it. You're right.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's make a new inline style because it's only specific to this page.
History text, maybe?
Yeah, history text. And we'll call it, let's see, we need to come back here. Be on our properties tab here.
Yeah.
The color is going to stay the same.
Right, so we don't need to change that.
The size is going to be 12 pixels. All of this is the same. What we need to do here is choose a Georgia set. But guess what? There's no Georgia set. Now, if you go down to all font families, it's down here.
Okay.
Georgia times New Roman times there. So it's taking Georgia first, then times if they don't have Georgia, and then just a generic serif font.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see how this looks. And I can click in here. And rather than setting an inline, I can set it to a block style.
Mm-hmm.
Does the whole thing. I don't have to select
Oh, so nice.
the text.
Yeah.
And just keep going down the row. And
oh, wow, yeah. That looks almost exactly like our page.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's preview this. See if there's anything we need to change.
I think it looks pretty sharp.
I think we're done here.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's save it.
Save it and get it up on the site.
Yep. Go ahead and upload it. That one page has changed.
Wait just a second.
There we go.
Done.
And now
so
I can hit
preview it.
Right. We have to select it. I wonder if you select here.
It should. You
if
would
it'll
think.
load it off there. Let's find out. Apparently not.
Okay. Guess not.
That's
okay.
That was a test.
We can go ahead and test it here. So
Right.
this is the local version.
Right.
And then let's just go ahead and try it over on the web. So, well, that's not www. It's web.3dbuzz.com, logging. We'll just open up the home page.
Sure.
It's quick and easy. And so
We have 2
contact is
pages.
working, and now history is working.
Very good.
So, yeah.
2 down.
2 down and 3 to go.
Plus the home.
Plus the homepage.
Right.
So that is going to wrap it up for this video. Very quick video, but, you know, it's getting easier as we go along.
Yep.
All right, so thanks.